today back on my channel. I have my little brother here. He's so excited to be here. He's so cute. He is going to make a lava lamp with you. He's been fascinated with lava lamps and making messes. So today he's going to share that with you.
Hooray! You need water, food coloring, and oil, and mix it. Did I do it?
Take one drop of it. And then mix it.
Look at that green. A bit more.
Turn it over, going this way, and squeeze.
Stop, stop, stop.
There you go. Hey, Anish, why isn't the oil mixing with the water?
Because the water is down.
Why is it down? Why is the oil up?
Because the oil is lighter
Then water?
than water.
Whoa, so cool. What happens if you shake it?
Close it.
Right, I'll close it.
Close it. And let me
Shake
see.
it.
And it turns green.
Where's the oil? What happened to the oil?
It's on top and the
Wait,
green.
it's reappearing.
And-
Why is it still yellow? I thought it was green.
When you shake it, and then it turns to yellow after you shake it.
Is it because the water doesn't mix with the oil? Because
Yeah,
the oil is lighter?
because it doesn't mix with the water.
Ooh. Which one do you like your favorite? That one? The one you just made? Well, tell them to make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe
You
on my
guys
channel.
comment which one is your favorite. Personally, I like this one because I made it.
Because I made my own.
Bye.